Hey, howdy, hey y'all, Leanna here. Today on the porch, there's been a lot of on the porch videos lately, haven't there? I have a SHEIN haul. I have been influenced once again. I'm telling you, Andy from Andy Does Stuff and Ash from Makeup and Chaos, y'all and your SHEIN hauls. I mean, seriously. So, this is a rather large SHEIN haul. This video might be a little long, and I might do a try on. I don't know, because I bought some clothes, and this is the first time that I have bought clothes from SHEIN. Actually, I think this is only my second SHEIN haul. I sound like that I've done a lot of them, and I haven't. So let's dig in and see what I got, shall we? I have 5 articles of clothing. We'll get to those last. I got some headbands. They look super cute. Look at how cute those are. Aren't they cute? I needed this one for the 4th of July. They're really, really cute. Let's see. Look at how cute that is. I'm just as cute. I'm so cute. Look at how cute I am. I don't remember what I paid for stuff. I'll put it along here. And then I got a brush. It's a liquid blush brush. That's not easy to say. This is so cute. It's a little paw. You see it? It's a little kitty cat paw. You know I had to have it. I don't know that I have a liquid blush brush, so I'm kind of excited to try that. And then I got these little powder puff thingies. Yes, that is the technical name for them. Y'all know, to put your powder on. Because normally I put my powder on with a brush, and I want to try putting my setting powder on that way. So I got these. And then I got a Sheglam, you can't see it, there we go, Sheglam matte lipstick, liquid lipstick. And it is in the shade Liftoff. And that's what the inner packaging looks like. There we go. It looks like a really pretty color. I'll swatch it. Yep. Very pretty. I like that color. We'll see how that dries down. And then I wanted to try the Sheglam Complexion Pro Long Lasting Breathable Matte Foundation. I like how their packaging has the little, the little pull thing so that you can get the plastic wrap off. Ooh, look at that. It comes in a little velvet bag. That's bougie. And there's what the bottle looks like. Very nice. It's got the emblem on the top, and it has a pump. Hopefully this is a good color. I think it will be. It might be just a little light. I don't know. That might be a little light. If it's too light for me in the summer, it looks like it would be a good color for the winter time. I'm going to leave that there. It does have a nice coverage. We'll see how that dries down too, and whether or not it oxidizes. But that's really nice, and it's a little bougie bag. And then I got one of their sponges. This was Nikki Tutorial's fault, because she said that their sponges were really good, so I wanted to try. It's called Insta-Ready Powder Sponge. Very pretty. It's fuzzy, and it's got the Sheglam right there. It's got a flat bottom, so it'll sit Very nice. Very, very spongy, but it has some, it has a little bit of density to it, so it's not too soft when you're talking about doing powders, but I like that. I'm excited to try that. And then I got a liquid blush and a liquid bronzer. And a gnat. Did that come from China out of the bag? Sheglam Sun Sculpt Liquid Bronzer in Soft Tan. I love the little bottle. That's super cute. Oh. The product is in here, and then it has this little sponge. My camera is not picking it up for some reason. It has an interesting smell to it. Ooh. That looks more like a contour to me than a bronzer, but I'm kind of excited about that. It shears out nicely. That's exciting. And then we have the Color Bloom Liquid Blush in the color Float On. And that's in that same style of bottle. So I'm guessing that this is the same way. Yep. So we'll put a little bit of that right there. Shear that out. That's a pretty color. By the way, the lipstick is completely dry, and so is the foundation. The foundation did seem to deepen up a little bit, huh? See the line there? So that's nice. Let's see. Yep, it's takes a bit to get that lipstick to come off, so that's nice. And then the last makeup related item I got is an eyeshadow palette. And it's shrink wrapped. This is the Sheglam Wolf Calls palette. Isn't that pretty? Little digital wolf. And this as well has the pull on it so that you can open it easy. And the palette on the inside looks the same. It's got a little bit of texture to it, the glasses and the nose. And on the back it says Wild Heart Sheglam Wolf Calls palette. And it has a shade saver on it. And there's no mirror, which I prefer not to have a mirror. And then that's what the palette looks like. Isn't it pretty? Very pretty little palette. And I have to swatch that blue because it's just calling to me. That's what that looks like. It's kind of light. Very pretty though. Let's do another one. One shade felt really, that's pretty, really soft, and the other one feels a little hard. That's pretty too. So I will be doing a video testing out all of these makeup products from Sheglam. See how that one was kind of soft, but then this one seemed to be kind of hard. So, but I'm looking forward to trying those. I've heard mixed reviews about their makeup, so I want to give it a try. Very, very affordable. So the rest of the items are clothing items, and I know you have seen them come in these bags. It's a little tank top with the little lace straps, and then it has a little lace scalloped edge. That's really cute. And then the next one is tie-dye. It is like an off-the-shoulder. It has the little strap. It's an off-the-shoulder top. It is so vibrant. And on the sides it has the little elastic in it. That's super cute. I like that. And then the next one is a little heart blouse. It's got buttons, and it's got a little flared out edge to the bottom. That's really cute. I like that. And this is another shirt. It's a little summer shirt, and it's got the lace back. That's really cute. And I think this last item is a dress, I believe. I love to wear dresses in the summertime. This is super cute. It's got the little spaghetti strap, and it's adjustable, and it is a long, like a maxi dress. Super cute. I love that. So there we go. There's my SHEIN haul. My very first SHEIN haul that included clothes. And I'm looking forward to trying out all of the makeup product. Like I said, I'll do a dedicated video and show you how the Sheglam products perform. I hope you enjoyed my SHEIN haul. Before you go, show that like button some love. And as always, I'd like to remind you that makeup is meant to enhance the natural beauty that you already are. And we are all beautiful at any age and any size. Find something to be grateful for today, pull your makeup out and play with it, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye-bye. Christopher, I got a 5-pack of these. Maybe you need some of these to put in your tackle box, then that way when you're fishing and you get sweaty, you can just, you know, pat the sweat off of your face. Okay? Mama will send you some, alright? Mama loves you, boo.